So we got us a little project here where a residential yard here has water that's standing right in front of their porch here. So what we're going to do is put an underground storm tank in and create a place for water to be stored and trapped, and then it will slowly dissipate into the ground. But we've got power, AT&T going through here. This is something that we have to be careful of whenever we're working in residential space, but fortunately it's all where we can handle it and work around it. I get a little excited when we open this and we see we got American made, not just American made, but South Carolina made packaging.